Dog puberty usually occurs when your pup is between 7 months and 2 years old, and as with humans, it can bring a whole lot of behavioral and physical changes. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are talking about puberty in dogs. When does dog puberty occur? Dog puberty is the period between sexual maturity and social maturity and can happen around 7 months to almost 2 years depending on the breed. Behavioral changes during dog puberty. Things that you may have taught them may seem to be inadvertently forgotten, and they appear to forget the simplest things, whether this is toilet training, recall, or walking nicely on the lead. There may be changes in their interaction with you as they become clingier, or at other times the puppy who used to hang on your every word seems not to notice you even exist. This is a time when your puppy is starting to look at the world through the eyes of an independent adult and reassessing their behavior strategies. You may see your puppy behaving fearfully or reacting to things they have apparently taken in their stride in the past. Other dogs start to treat them differently as they no longer have the puppy privileges they used to enjoy. They have to rethink their social skills at a time when their hormones are raging, as an adolescent male dog has much higher testosterone levels than adult male dogs. This can lead to competitiveness and even aggression. Their usual behaviors and personality can also seem exaggerated during dog puberty. For example, puppies who may have been a little reserved can now become very shy, while the bold ones can become overly confident. Physical signs of dog puberty. You may decide not to get your dog neutered, or have decided to neuter after they have entered their adolescent period, in which case it is important to understand the physical changes occurring in both male and female dogs. Female dog puberty symptoms. A female dog's first heat will usually start at between 6 to 15 months of age. Then once they mature, will occur approximately every 7 months. A useful indicator to estimate when your dog's first heat will be is to ask the breeder how old your bitch's mother was when she first came into season. The entire season usually lasts 3 to 4 weeks from beginning to end. The first physical signs you tend to see are a degree of swelling or redness of the vulva, a small amount of clear discharge, and some increased leaking of the area. You may notice your bitch needs to urinate more, or urinate more often when out. Other dogs might also begin to take an increased amount of interest in her, although she will not allow mating at this point and may even be quite aggressive if approached in this way by a male dog. This period can last 4 to 14 days and on average about 9 days. Male dog puberty symptoms. Males do not have a season like bitches, and once sexually mature they can breed all the time, although are at their most fertile between 12 to 18 months old. Usually, the testicles in a male puppy will descend into the scrotum very shortly after birth, but sometimes they may take over a month and very rarely up to 1 year. Once the testicles descend and his testosterone levels begin to rise, the puppy will start to lift their legs to urinate. The increased hormones can sometimes lead to behavioral changes, including aggression, but these are very variable and differ between individual dogs. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Until next time, thank you.